My name is Igor Saglier. I'm working at Orange as a software reliability engineer. We are going to discuss about the CA APM solution we have used for 5 years. An application is quite complicated for firemen, for software reliability engineer, because our applications are like a black box. Thanks to the CA APM solution, we are able to transform this black box to a gray box by using the transaction trace functionality services. And for me, it's the most valuable services of the solution. We are using APM for troubleshooting. The delay to solve and to fix issue has been reduced by 30% in average. We also use all the APM data to analyze and predict if an application will work. Tomorrow I will present the LCRI method. We are all customers. So for us, the application is an UI and some data. Its quality and the way we access it is going to make the difference between an application you keep using and the others. There are a lot of, the DevOps methodology to improve to the time to market and to deploy more and more quickly application. But sometimes it's not enough, because at the end the application experiences some issues and the isolation of the root cause is quite complicated. In Orange, we decided to use the ops feedback as a leverage from production to development. So we analyze about 3,000 incidents in production, classify them, choose our toolbox, including CA APM solution, and we are able to predict, to anticipate incidents and to assess a risk for an application to go live. Major limit of the solution is the number of users, because the application is developed in Java and only 10 to 15 users can connect to the application. It's quite a limit for massive deployment in a huge company like Orange. How the scalability is great, because you can add servers, it works. I don't use the support, I do myself everything. It was in 2006, 11 years ago. It was quite easy. The solution is easy to deploy, and we had the support of the pre-sales team. We deploy it on 5 or 6 applications, and now it's deployed over 200 applications. You are displaying some graphics, and sometimes we want to have some different metrics and some graphic, and it's not the same scale. So it's quite complicated to see both. If the product would be able to manage a double scale, it would be perfect. Because it was the only tool in 2006 to provide the transaction trace, to transform an application from black box to a gray box. That's why we knew that we needed Introscope. So now CA APM. There are a lot of tools now that are concurrent to CA APM, but CA APM is already deployed. I think it's about 7 over 10. Our method will be open in 2016. I recommend the other company to use our method. The method that we created using APM, CA APM.